Hey, what's up XRP holder? So XRP holder, today video is very important because my brother, in this video we will do a technical analysis and what's the price prediction of XRP, what's our price target, everything I am going to share with details now. But kindly holder, my friends, please my friend, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So XRP price will increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, but my friend, in the previous days absolutely they will take a very huge jump now, so therefore I'm so excited to see this. And definitely I know my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance so they will more and more moving upward. Plus 9.74% the price will increase now. This is, you can see my friend, the percentage to the price will increasing, and the highest price 1.4 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, the price will decrease now very fastly. The price will falls down to 1 point, my friends, 1 USD dollar. It's a very bad news, my friends. I hope you will be recovered now, my friend. In this time the XRP price, there is, I think, 70% chance, my friends, to the price will increasing, but absolutely my friends, there are 20 to 30% chance to never fails down. And this is just an only, my friend, a short-term investor. All the credit goes to short-term investor. If they are starting selling, so they are completely going the garbage. So kindly holder, please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope in upcoming time you will be earn more and more profit now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.